Do you know your phone is listening to every word you say? Talk about vacation or shopping for something, and the very next moment you get to see plenty of ads related to what you were talking about. More than surprising you, it should scare you because your phone is no longer just your companion, but a spy who is leaking very personal information about you. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that raises eyebrows and sparks debates. Are our smartphones really listening to us? With privacy concerns on the rise, many of us are left wondering what's really going on behind the scenes. Let's explore the facts. First, let's talk about how our devices collect data. It's not just through microphones. Apps often tracks your location, monitor your interactions, and yes, even analyze the content you engage with. This information helps personalize your experience but raises serious privacy questions. But how much of this data collection is truly necessary? Many apps require permission that seems excessive. For example, a simple weather app doesn't need access to your contact or camera. So, how do you regain control? Let's check your privacy settings. Here are some quick tips to enhance your privacy. First, review app permissions. Regularly check what permissions your apps have. Are they asking for more than they need? Second, disable voice activation features. If you are concerned about voice assistants, consider disabling features like Hey Siri or OK Google when you are not using them. Third, use built-in privacy features. Both iOS and Android have settings to limit data collection. Make sure to enable features like limit ad tracking. You might still be wondering, is my phone actually listening? While many apps don't actively record conversations, they can pick up on keywords through your interactions. So if you suddenly see ads for products you just talk about, it might feel like it's spying on you. But don't panic. More often than not, it's just smart algorithms analyzing your interests based on your activity. Ultimately, the key to keeping your data safe lies in understanding your privacy settings and being proactive about your choices. Don't let your phone control your data. Take charge. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Have any privacy tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.